This is my miniature boring head. I've used it on the Unimat before. It's almost an exact copy of a fairly famous name. But I'm quite certain it's his shop made. You can see it's well done. It's got a gib in there to adjust the slack, and look at the gap. I mean, whoever made this really had it going on. This thing is incredibly close tolerances. The dials, I've never measured it for accuracy. But like I said, I put it in my Unimat before, and that's kind of a cool little piece.